day. These niggas be talking shit but never really lived it. Seen it all before when I ran with big business. Them still my niggas, brothers from another. But just ask Bricks, we took a loss, we can't recover. So I tell them think slick or lose your fucking koofy. Still goes the same if you don't rock Gucci. Holla short side, cause them the ones who groom me. Rock stays dirty, my niggas won't lose me. See me in that big boy sitting high cruising. Cuff your girl when I roll to the club, she choosing. These niggas be hating, but she see that he faking. And she know I'm real, so she hopping and I pill. Hottest thing since the wheel, flyer since the G5. Goddamn it, EA Sports would say he live. If you talking money, I'm in the conversation. All about the change, man, I'm with Obama Nation. Me staying broke, that's an abomination. Cash rules, those the rules, so I gotta chase it. Henny no chase flow, so rock by the caseload. One life to live, man, I can't let a day go by without me being high off the loud. Everywhere I go, I'm followed by a cloud. If you talking money, then make sure you mention we. Cause if I'm getting money, I'ma split it with the team. And if you snitching, homie, wig splitting with the beam. These niggas talk tough, but they life ain't what it seems. They getting out of character, I can see the act though. Fucking with a monster, that'll get your back broke. Get your Bruce Wayne on, I'ma be Bane quick. All about a dollar, Kane ain't with no lame shit. On the grind all the time, quarters, nicks and dimes. Just holla at your boy, I'll help you make the bottom line. Yeah, you already know, short side, Bayview, TSP, was good. When no deuce in the show, Parkway, holla at your boy.